how to log in to Steam account. So if you want to log in to your Steam account, then first of all you need to open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, or you can also download the application. So if you have your Steam application, then you can go with the application. So I'll be here with the browser, Chrome browser, and then go for the search bar and search for Steam. Login. And here you will have this first search, which is sign in. So sign in and login are the same thing. Simply click on that sign in option. So it will automatically take you to the sign in page. So you have to enter your account name, and then you have to enter your password. But if you don't remember your password, then you can sign in with your QR also. So after entering your valuable information like your email address and then your password, or your account name and then your password, you can simply click on sign in. And after clicking on sign in, you will be signed into your account. So that's it. That's how you sign into your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.